What's going on, YouTube fam? This is your man Gundam back with another one. So I ordered some stuff from Alibaba here, for the L10, the Ultra over here, and it all checks out. Just saying, it all checks out. It's working. Beware of, or I won't say beware, but definitely, get this set here because I go, yeah, beware of your little rollers here, especially if it's your first time like getting, little robot vacuum, carpet cleaner, whatever. These little rollers, they burn out easy, especially if you have junk like this, all over the place. They will tear up those rollers in a heartbeat. So, but it's not gonna be all the time because like once your vac finds all the stuff and tears it up and sucks it all up the first time, then you don't have to worry about it anymore. But yeah, that's all for now. I'll probably put some more videos, and yeah,